Greetings, everyone. I'll try to make this video a little shorter this week, but I did just want to touch upon 3 points. First of all, and the discussion's still going by the time I'm videotaping this. It's Friday afternoon. I know that we have another day that the discussion's still open, but this is when I have time to video. So, but at this point, I just wanted to kind of emphasize that I think one of the take-home points, or one of the important points for this particular chapter, is the sources of self-efficacy. So, we've learned that self-efficacy beliefs are great, right? They're associated with a whole host of positive outcomes, but really that means not much unless instructors or teachers, educators, or coaches, etc., can work to counselors, can work to help individuals develop strong self-efficacy beliefs. So those sources of efficacy are pretty important, right? Because the sources are the data that informs our beliefs, right? So just want to make sure that was stressed. Second thing, so I hope you guys enjoyed the Flipgrid format for the discussion board this week. I know I have. I finally feel like I get to know my students just a little bit better, and hopefully the experience is similar for you in terms of getting to know your peers. And then the third thing, for this upcoming week, for the discussion boards, and there are 3 forums, 2 of the 3 require doing something before you respond. So one involves kind of a little memory test or experiment. So you'll need to have find somebody to do this experiment with. It doesn't actually take very long. It could be, could be your roommate, your spouse, child, if you have children. Just needs to be a human being, and preferably old enough to be able to talk and to participate in a memory test. But please, you'll need to do that before actually posting, because you'll need to share your results. And then one of the other discussion prompts asks you to watch a video. So the video consists of a card trick, and you'll get to see how the trick is done after the video. So one thing I would say is that don't read your peers' responses to this post until you've actually contributed to the discussion yourself, because otherwise it's like seeing a spoiler before seeing the film. So like The Sixth Sense, and I won't spoil there was it's got maybe it has a twist ending, right? Which, if totally changes the whole viewing experience. And this video is a little bit like that too. So I would just ask that you try to refrain. That's it. As always, if you have questions, please feel free to drop me a line. It is 4th of July weekend, or weeks, sort of, but I'll be here. My life is that boring. I'm here for you. So anyway, have a happy 4th.